Hey, I'm Lee, an avid DIYer, and if you've ever had your Ryobi drill get hot during a project, you're not alone. In today's video, I'll show you how to prevent your Ryobi cordless drill from overheating. Whether you're drilling, driving, or working on a heavy-duty job, we'll cover what causes a drill to heat up, how to use your drill smarter, and 7 easy tips to keep things cool. Let's dive in. Before we get into the fixes, here's why your drill might be heating up. Prolonged use, running it non-stop for too long, using the wrong speed or mode for the job, overloading the motor, like trying to drill through dense material too quickly, dull bits or the wrong bits, which forces the motor to work even harder. Hot batteries. Heat from the battery can transfer into the Ryobi drill. If your drill is getting warm, that's normal, but if it's hot to the touch or smells like burning, it's time to pause your drilling. Here's how to stop the heat and extend the drill's life. Use speed 1 for tougher jobs like driving long screws or drilling through thicker material. It delivers more torque with less strain. Use speed 2 for lighter work like small holes in wood or soft materials. Now, don't ever change the speed setting while the drill is spinning. Let the drill fully stop before changing the speed setting. If you're doing a longer job, take breaks every few minutes. Just like you need a break, so does your drill. Always let the drill bit do the work. Don't push too hard. Too much pressure can bog down the motor and generate heat. Dull drill bits create friction. More friction equals more heat. Keep your bits sharp or replace them if they're worn. Not sure what bits to use? Check out a quality set like this Amazon Basics drill and drive bit set. It has all the right bits for any job. Now, if you're driving larger screws into hardwood, drill a pilot hole first. It reduces the resistance and lowers the workload on your drill. After heavy use, your batteries might be hot. Let it rest before putting it back on the charger. Charging a hot battery can cause internal wear. You'll know it's too hot if your Ryobi charger shows a flashing red light. This means it needs to cool down. Dust can clog the drill's vents and trap heat. Give your tool a quick brush off after use, especially around the motor vents and chuck. Now, when should you shut your Ryobi drill down? You smell burning or see smoke? The drill body is hot to hold? It suddenly slows down or stops mid-job? Let it cool off before using it again. And if this happens regular, it might be time to swap up your technique or get your tool serviced. So that's how to keep your Ryobi drill cool under pressure. If this video helped you out, hit the like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, have you ever overheated a drill mid-project? What was you working on? Thanks for watching. I'm Lee, and I'll catch you in the next DIY video.